In Activism, Resistance in the Future, or Is Another Future Possible? We'll be talking to two guests, Jin Lee and Dan McQuillan. Firstly, to talk to Jin's really interesting work about activism online, cute activism, rethinking the way that kind of everyday politics can be done online. And she talks around the treatment of animals in that and the way that cruelty to animals was kind of used in various political ways. We'll then be talking to Dan McQuillan about his work on resisting AI, which has been a kind of a prominent book to help us think about the issues that have been brought up throughout the course and maybe ways that we can address them. And then in the last bit, I'll just be concluding with what comes next, talk a little bit about the contemporary in terms of like the AI bubble and some thoughts from various researchers about possible futures, various models of the futures that we can help us, think critically about how the past influences the present and how the present may play out into the future.